perform.
പറയാറില്ലേ?
Oh my God, I'm absolutely wonderstruck by this performance. Vishnu Prag has truly left us spellbound. Let us give him a big round of applause. What an incredible display of talent you have got.
You're right, Aisha, it was heart-throbbing. I'm still feeling the waves.
I don't know about you all, but I literally got the goosebumps. The synchronization and Vishnu Prayag's brilliance, just wow.
Vishnu Prayag has set a new benchmark, and from now, this moment will be cherished forever. Next, I'm thrilled to bring you an inspiring and heartwarming session today. But before that, let me introduce these exceptional teachers before you. Sorry for the delay. Shini Anilkumar and Sri Molti. It is not every day we get to hear firsthand about incredible journeys and talent of our incredible teachers who has undergone Scouts and Guides training. Their journey was not without struggles, from braving challenging terrains and enduring harsh weather conditions to navigating sleepless nights and intense physical activities. They faced it all with determination. Each obstacle tested their patience, resilience, and teamwork. Whether it was setting up makeshift shelters during survival camps, mastering new skills under pressure, or motivating each other on moments of doubt, they never give up. Their perseverance transformed these challenges into personal growths and camaraderie, valuable lessons. This rigorous training helped them to embrace challenges and struggles with a positive mind. The radiant smiles they now wear is the testimony of having conquered this rigorous training. Sadly, it's time for me to bite the two. It has been an absolute pleasure for being a part of this session and sharing these wonderful moments with all of you. From now, the discussion will continue with our esteemed panel, and I'm confident it will be just engaging and insightful. So once again, thank you all for your attention and enthusiasm. Over to the panel.
Thank you, Aisha, for leading such a beautiful segment. It was a pleasure to watch you, this guide, with this conversation with such poise and enthusiasm. Let's all give Aisha Iron a big round of applause for her fantastic work.
Thank you.
Now, let's talk something exciting today. Our school's achievement in sports, like we have done so well, especially in football. Did you know we have won several laurels in the sports recently?
Absolutely, Vaishnavi. Our football team has been so amazing. They've not only made our school proud, but also they've inspired many of us to take up sports seriously.
That's right, Zayan. And it's not just football. Our school also encourages traditional and indigenous games such as Gilli Danda, Atapatya, Kabaddi, and Kho-Kho. It is so refreshing to see these games are playing along with the modern side.
Yes, I have noticed how enthusiastic everyone is about sports in this school. The teamwork, the physical activity, and the cooperation is just wow.
You're right, Sheha. Sports here are not just about winning trophies, though, but also about building teamwork, dedication, and discipline. And what's even more special is chess has become such a popular game in our school. It's like played by every student from kindergarten to higher classes.
Yes, just really helps with critical thinking and focus. It's amazing to see students from different grades sitting together and play.
We are so lucky to be a part of school where sports and games are such integral part of our culture. And it's not about competitions, but also growing and learning together.
That's the spirit, Neha. Sports is very much important for our life, for the overall development. So let's all support these efforts. Now, I think we all heard this amazing news about the 2023-24 batch toppers. That is Muhammad Hubey from Commerce and Pranaya PS from Science. And our beloved Arya Devi, Malavika, and Anamika had made us so proud. So, what do you all think about the achievements?
It's truly inspiring. Topping the whole CBS region is no small feat. Hubei have such high standards for us. I feel like with hard work, we too can achieve something great.
Their dedication and perseverance are so motivating. I think it's a reminder that consistent effort, focus, and support of our school can lead us to extraordinary results.
Yes, it's not just about studying hard. It's also about studying smart. They must have great time management skills and have excellent strategies to excel in studies.
That's true, Sheha. I think we should learn from their journey. Maybe we can ask our teachers or seniors about their study techniques. What we can do to ensure that we also bring some laurels to the school.
One thing we can do is set clear goals for ourselves and stay disciplined. For example, we can create weekly schedules and stick to them.
And we should support and encourage each other. Peer learning and group discussion can make big difference in understanding difficult topics.
Yes, and not only that, physical and mental health also matters. A healthy body and a fresh mind helps us to study more better.
Well said, everyone. I think we should follow their footsteps because they are working so hard and getting all the top grades. I think it's amazing.
Yes, absolutely. Let's give it all.
So let's start planning and support each other from today to achieve our goals. Together, we can make our school proud again.
Absolutely, we can do this.
So here's an amazing news. Our school has taken 2 amazing steps for our development. Did you guys know?
Absolutely, being a part of the International Quizzing Association is a great opportunity. It will not only improve our knowledge, but also it will give us a platform to compete at global level.
True, and I love how it encourages us to be curious and think critically. Quizzing is such a fun way to learn.
And what about our collaboration with ASAP? I heard it's about critical thinking.
Yes, ASAP will help us learn skills that we might not learn from regular classes, like communication, problem solving, and technical skills.
You are right, and it's just for one student in our school. The school is caring for every student in school for giving a chance for everyone to grow.
Wow, it's such a thoughtful initiative. These skills will be useful for our future, whether it's for higher studies or career.
Well, yeah, with both these initiatives, we are getting a chance to improve our knowledge and skills. It's like the school is giving us a chance for a brighter future.
Yes, absolutely. Let's grow together.
Now, I think we should discuss about how our school is taking significant steps to ensure health and well-being of all our students. Did you guys know one of the most important aspects is to reduce the usage of plastics?
Yes, plastics are extremely harmful for young people like us. It can disrupt our hormones and have a bad future for all of us.
That's right, Sheha. We are moving towards a healthier environment by using alternatives to plastic wherever possible. This not only benefits our health, but also helps the environment.
In addition to reducing plastic, our school also conducts regular health checkups, like hemoglobin tests and free eye checkups. It's reassuring to know that our health is being looked after.
That's right, Zayan, because it's not just at school though. In our home, parents take care of us at home when we are unwell, and in school, teachers and staff ensure we stay healthy by maintaining a clean and safe environment.
Not only that, our school follows a saccharin-free environment. While chocolates might be tasty, it's not the healthiest eating option. Avoiding it helps us to have a better life in healthy body.
Exactly, our school also promoting healthy eating by encouraging us to avoid junk food. It's all about making smarter choices for a healthier lifestyle.
These initiatives remind us that health is a priority, and small changes like avoiding plastics, junk food, and chocolates can make a huge difference in our lives.
Well said, everyone. By working together, both at home and at school, we can create a healthier and happier environment. So let's support all these efforts and make health a top priority.
Absolutely, health comes first.
Yeah, so I want to discuss about the self-government day activities. I would like to know how the students handle their roles.
Yes, the students were very responsible. They took on their assigned role with seriousness and showed a strong leadership skills throughout the day.
The way the students managed their tasks, and literally, they were just so amazing. They held it like a real life talent.
It was an excellent opportunity for them to learn and grow. They learned a lot about decision making and accountability.
From my observations, it was a great exercise in